Well, hi! Welcome to my channel, Hiii Kathy, and today is gonna be more of a try-on of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So without no further ado, let's start. By the way, this is still August box. So the first one that I use is actually a dark blue, and this is not in the Violet Voss palette. So I grabbed my Jawbreaker and I used the Delicious shade. On the outside to blend it out, I actually used the one from Violet Voss, which is the Blue Sky. And then I decided to use the BH Cosmetics. This is the white concealer that they have. I decided to use white, so maybe we can pop out the colors in this palette. I'm just blending out the concealer, so it'll be ready for the next colors that I'm gonna put in on my eyelid. And this one is the Blue Violet. This is like a shimmery purple that's on the Violet Voss. I was actually kind of having a hard time on putting on this one, so as you can see, I kind of tap with it like for a while. And then the next one is the Wild Orchid, and the design that I came up with this is like a halo on this side. So the next one after the Wild Orchid, I went back to Blue Violet, and then that one is the Blue Sky. So I put back the Blue Sky inside, closer to the inner corner. And as you can see, I actually put the Blue Violet right away again. And then on top of that, I put this Jawbreaker on the middle, so it can do a little bit of shimmer on the halo that I was trying to do. And as you can see, this line right here, I actually used this is the one from BH Cosmetics. It's the Eyelights. I can't remember on top of my head what shade it is, but it's very pretty. It's like the green one with blue green. And then I use an eyeliner and mascara, and then I lay down the colors that I use on my eyelids on the bottom of my lash line. And then I use the LA colors, the teal eye color pencil. And of course, for the concealer, I used the Too Faced because that came with the box, and I just love this one. It goes on really smooth. I'm just amazed. And then I use a blush from BH Cosmetics. This is a blush palette, very pretty. Jared Cosmetics for the highlighters. It's really nice for my skin, for a tan color. And Rimmel for bronzer. And then I used the LA Girl nude lipstick, not lipstick but lip liner, and then for doing the line. And then I use the Clarins for the actual lips. So it's a little bit of red in this thing. I actually like it, but honestly, this one I was surprised that it's not as soft as I thought it would be. It was really like a dry matte, so I had to use a lip gloss. And this is what I came up with. This is the final look. Here's the full closed eyes, so you can see. Okay, so this is actually the final look for, with both eyes have the same design. It's kinda hard. This is the purpose of this eye look, is really for me to try out two different palettes together and to also try the Boxycharm. I was trying to see if I could have made something that's, you know, like an Instagram-y type of picture, I guess, or an eye look from the Boxycharm Base Box for the month of August, but I really needed to like touch with another palette to make the look a lot better, I guess. It looks super crazy as you can see, but it does look good in the camera as a pictures. That's it. I actually enjoyed all the products. The one I haven't really tried is the sleep mask. Well, the sleep cream. I haven't tried that, but the lipstick was good. It was kind of dry actually. I was surprised it was dry. It actually stays like matte. Looks like it stays on long. That's the one that I have in the middle right there. The Clarins, it was okay, but I think if you don't put lip balm on your lips right away before you actually put that on, and then if you have dry lips like I do all the time, and it will look cracky. It will look cracky. So other than that, the eyeshadow looks nice, but with this I guess with this kind of look I needed more colors. You saw the pan, there was only what, 10 or 8 in this pan, so the Violet Fuzz was good. I know the formula is good and everything, but for this certain eye look it didn't work as good because like I said, I needed more colors. Anyways, that's not the palette's fault. That was mostly mine because I wanted something different. What else? The eyebrows, I haven't really tried the eyebrows one, but I will update you guys maybe in the next videos, you know, in the upcoming videos. I will try and do that. And then the rest are, I think that's pretty much everything. Oh yeah, the one I'm really loving is the concealer. I know Too Faced. I love Too Faced Born This Way foundation already, but I haven't really tried the concealer, so thank God I got that from the Boxycharm. So I did get to try that, and oh my god, look, I have wrinkles, but it didn't really go like right there. I mean, yeah, you can see my line right there, but if you look on this side, they look not that bad. You know how sometimes they go inside and make it look worse, but it looks natural. It looks really nice, and I'm surprised the shade selection was actually perfect. So yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.